Are you looking for the best camera for YouTube in 2025? Whether you're a beginner on a budget or a pro looking for high-end gear, I've got you covered. From affordable gems under $100 to top-tier cinematic beasts, these 15 best cameras on Amazon will take your YouTube game to the next level. And stick around till the end because camera number 15 is an absolute game changer for content creators. So let's dive in. Number 1. Is this the perfect vlog camera? The Sony Alpha 7C is the smallest full-frame mirrorless camera. With a 24.2 megapixel sensor, 4K video, and insane low-light performance, your content will look. Plus, 693 AF points lock onto your subject in a snap. No more blurry shots. Number 2. Looking for the ultimate vlog camera? The Canon EOS R50 is packed with 4K video, 24.2 megapixel clarity, and fast autofocus. 15 FPS shooting means you never miss a moment. 651 AF zones lock onto people, animals, and even cars. Cinematic slow-mo in full HD? Yes, please. Number 3. Vloggers, meet your new best friend. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 shoots stunning 4K video with a 24.2 megapixel sensor. Unboxing something? This product showcase mode locks focus instantly. Want that cinematic blur? Just tap a button. Go live with zero extra gear. Number 4. Vloggers, meet the Panasonic Lumix G100. 4K video, pro audio, and killer stabilization. 5-axis stabilization keeps your shots steady. No gimbal needed. Smart audio tracking means crystal clear sound anywhere. Use it as a webcam for next-level streaming. Number 5. Meet the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a 4K 120fps vlogging powerhouse in your pocket. 3-axis stabilization keeps your shots silky smooth. No gimbal needed. Fast focusing and face tracking keep you locked in and crystal clear. Switch between landscape and portrait in a snap, perfect for Reels and TikToks. Number 6. GoPro Hero 12 Black, your ultimate vlogging camera. Shoot stunning 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video and 27 megapixel photos with insane detail. Hypersmooth 6.0 keeps your shots buttery smooth, and 360-degree and horizon lock ensures steady footage, no matter how wild the action gets. Want epic slow motion? Capture 8x slow-mo in 2.7K. Plus, with Bluetooth mic support, your audio is next level. Number 7. The Canon EOS R50 shoots sharp 4K video with 6K oversampling and 651-point autofocus for perfect tracking. Plus, the flip screen makes framing easy. Number 8. Meet the Akaso Brave 8 Lite, a 4K 60 action camera built for adventure. Super smooth stabilization keeps your footage ultra steady, no matter the action. Waterproof up to 30 thrift, no case needed. Ready for your next adventure? 8x slow-mo plus ultra-wide lens, AMR epic shots every time. Number 9. The Sony ZV-1F vlog camera is a game changer for content creators. Ultra-wide 20mm lens, stunning f2 low-light performance, and crystal clear audio. Everything you need to level up your vlogs. Number 10. Looking for the perfect webcam for streaming? The Logitech C922X Pro Stream delivers crystal clear 1080p HD video and rich stereo sound, perfect for YouTube, Twitch, and Zoom. With autofocus, low light correction, and background replacement, your streams will look pro every time. And there you have it, the 15 best cameras for YouTube in 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome gadget reviews, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on the latest tech finds. Oh, and if you're ready to grab your perfect camera, check out the links in the description for the best deals on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.